Yes, there's so much. Yugi, I'm only 5,000 yen. This is the machine. Wow, it's so shiny. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Okay. Time to go to bed now. Night, night. And it's the next morning, and we're off to Nakano Broadway now. Let's go see animes. Nakano Broadway. We're keen to get some figurines. All of the anime and figurine stores are at the very end of the street, so we do have to go for a long walk, but it's gonna be worth it. I'm excited.
McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's? Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna get a cheeky Big Mac. It's not even lunchtime, but it's probably it's 10:40. It's second breakfast. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, it's something very different and unusual, but you know, McDonald's is exactly the same anywhere in the world. Just exciting though, you know. Why not? That's sad. This is what I need. This is what I needed. There we go. It makes lattes, which is really nice. Wait. Wait. I got the wrong one. Baby cakes. Yes. Oh wow, there's so much. It's insane. What have you got? Is that like Chippendale?
So good, yeah.
I want this. I want Squall. He's still really expensive everywhere you go. It's because you have to get these things from a 700 yen mystery box, 1 in 6 chance. So getting the one you want costs nearly double the price. Oy, oy, oy. I'm never gonna get it. Tons of One Piece. So much One Piece. Oh my goodness. Harry Potter. That's really cute. And like it kind of reminds me of Funko Pop. How they're all like from different things, but they all kind of look in the same style. Oh my god, there's heaps, like all Disney. Wow. I really like these. I like that old lore, but not that. I like these. The fake Straw Hat Crew, fake Soggy King and Frankie. I love watches. I came into this watch store and had a look at all these beautiful watches. However, they're all like 400,000 yen. Like that one's 1.8 million. That's ridiculous. So I like watches, but not enough. I mean, I just bought this watch recently, this digital one. Why? They were so expensive, Bennett. Yeah. We went to the store that sells like original prints of like old anime and stuff. And I got... Oh, wow. No. What the heck? It's got something else on the other side. It's got like a running thing. Like that. And that was on the other side. These are the ones that I wanted. And so he's drinking a coffee and looking at this guy getting too happy. But that's interesting, there's some things on the other side. It's really cool. So yeah, 600 yen. It was like a little under $10 New Zealand. And I'm gonna hang these on my wall. That's really cool. Good find. I found this really retro store. I don't know if I'm interested in any of the things in here though, but the floor's really cool. Mandarake is open. This is like the best secondhand store chain. We're gonna go in. I am claustrophobic and uninterested. It's all like Gundam and like Power Rangers. And yeah, I'm not interested in any of this robotic stuff. From Shaman King, can't really see him through the glass and the plastic. He's got heaps of customizable stuff. And Mob Psycho 100, Mob's Brother Etsu fragrance. 4,000 yen. I wonder what it smells like though. Like cologne, that might be a decent deal. I'm geeking out over here. I guess from Persona 3, 3,500. What have they got down here? They've got Rurouni Kenshin. I can't quite see what it looks like. But it's like you can pose him and stuff, like change his expression. I don't know. It's like $50. What do I do, guys? It's a lot of bloody money. The boy that gets in the upside down isn't included. It's so sad. Really cool Pez dispensers though. Yeah. Oh. What's that? What a mascot. Let's go. Renowned ramen in Japan. you get to like sit at your own little booth with a little curtain between you and the chef, and you just like choose what you want with a machine, and it's great. I'm excited. So this is the machine. You have to like choose exactly what you want. So I want the ramen. Okay, so you need to load in money to get your credit, and then you can choose what ingredients you want. So I want ramen, so I get a ticket for ramen. 500 yen credit. Okay, so I want extra noodles. I want extra beef. And how much credit have I got? I'm gonna have green onion as well. Yeah. Yeah. So I got all my tickets. Did that work? Yeah, I got my tickets. So now I hand these to the chef and I get my ramen. Fill out this sheet. How rich do you want your soup? Do you want garlic? Do you want extra green onion? That's great. So they give you like the standard ramen and you can alter it, which is pretty cool. And this is what I'm going for. Chart over here shows the availability of tables. And then we can go either inside here or over there. And we get our little booths. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, and it's got a bag. So you just go. Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Here we go. Or maybe somebody's food was just there. Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, it's so shiny. Oh my goodness. My extra pork and spring onion too. Wow. This is all going to be censored.
But look, this cat's got the bigger titties. This cat's like flat-chested. And she thinks big titties are funny.
Is this even sexual?
Yeah, I don't know. There's tons.
Yeah, wait till you open it.
This is fucked. We're back in Nakano Broadway. We're going up to some of the stores that we were in before. And I'm going to buy a figurine. I'm going to buy the protagonist from Persona 3. A figurine that I've seen for many years online and always kind of wanted. But I was like, oh, $100, $70, I don't want it. This one's only $45. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to buy it. That's a lot of money. I don't like buying figurines much personally, but I always like looking at them. Let's do it. So I found my boy's store, and it's way more expensive here for the one that I want. Although I don't know which version it is. I don't know which one I'm getting. It's Michael Jackson as Shanks from One Piece. And Bennett, come and poke your head around the corner. Where's Bennett? Oh, there he is. I also really want this figurine because I love Rurouni Kenshin. However, it's a lot of money. That's like $300. It's really cool though. Another character that I really want is this guy, Onoda Sakamichi. He comes with his little bike and everything, but this is about the price it costs new, $100 New Zealand. So I think not, even though I do really like it. Yugi, I'm only 5,000 yen. Please buy me. You have to buy the whole pack for 3,500. I like Beelzebub, Gintama, and Shaman King. But alas, you have to buy the whole bloody box, so I don't know. Who are they fighting? Anna has found these lucky bags for One Piece. You get 7 random One Piece items for 1,000 yen. And we're gonna do it. Right, Bennett? Let's do one each. All right, let's get them now. And here we go. We've got our bags. It was 1,000 yen, and it's just gonna be happy and exciting to not know what we're gonna get. It might not be worth it, but
1,000 yen is not a high price to pay for some happiness.
For some figurines. Well, we bought a ton of stuff today here in Nakano. I bought a bunch of stuff. I prevented Bennett from buying too much. We've also got a lucky bag. I got a lucky bag of Tales of, like Vesperia, all those games. Lucky Dip, I'll do another video. I've also got a lucky bag of One Piece stuff that I'll do open with Bennett. And then there's a lucky bag of Persona things as well. So more videos, exciting videos on the way. Anyway.
Everything's gonna be A-okay.
A-okay. I can't, there's the fingers. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Kiwi in Japan.